Barack Obama lashed out at Donald Trump for inflaming political tensions in the wake of the shooting of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. The former president didn't mention Trump by name, but left little doubt who he was calling out while speaking at a Jefferson Educational Society event in Erie, Pennsylvania on Tuesday. Kirk, one of the most influential figures in the MAGA movement, was shot and killed while speaking at Utah Valley University on September 10th. Since then, Trump and other Republicans have tried to pin the killing on radical left-wing ideology fueling violence in the country, despite a spate of violence targeting Democrats this year. When I hear not just our current president, but his aides, who have a history of calling political opponents vermin, enemies who need to be targeted, that speaks to a broader problem that we have right now and something that we're going to have to grapple with. All of us, Obama said, according to the New York Times. Obama also blasted the president for refusing to unify the country after Kirk's killing. Trump specifically told Fox News last week that he couldn't care less about bringing the nation together after the Utah shooting. Obama said that stance is a direct contrast to other leading GOP figures, who he argued would have sought to calm tensions. Obama also cited how he avoided pointing fingers in the wake of the 2015 mass shooting carried out by white supremacist Dylann Roof, who murdered 9 people at a historic black church in South Carolina. As President of the United States, my response was not, "Who may have influenced this troubled young man to engage in that kind of violence? And now let me go after my political opponents and use that," Obama said. In response, White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson accused Obama of being the architect of modern political division in America, saying Obama demeaned millions of patriotic Americans who opposed his liberal agenda as bitter for clinging to guns or religion. Obama used every opportunity to sow division and pit Americans against each other, Jackson told the Daily Beast. On Tuesday, officials charged 22-year-old Tyler Robinson with multiple offenses, including aggravated murder, in connection with Kirk's shooting. Obama emphasized that when political violence happens, it's a threat to all of us, and we have to be clear and forthright in condemning it, regardless of political differences.